Every Android phone comes with the Google Play Store, but it is doing much more behind the scenes than you probably realize. It can automatically update your apps, send promotional notifications, collect app usage information, and build up cache over time. So today, I will show you 4 Play Store settings you should change right now. Let us get started. The first setting is automatic app updates. By default, the Google Play Store regularly checks for updates and can automatically download and install apps in the background. Keeping your apps updated is important, but letting your phone decide when to update them is not always the best idea. Imagine you are using mobile data, or your battery is already running low. Suddenly, several large apps begin downloading in the background without you even noticing. That means more battery usage, more mobile data consumption, and less control over your device. Here's how to turn it off. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Open Network Preferences. Tap Auto Update Apps. Then, select Don't Auto Update Apps. Now, you might be wondering, can I still update my apps? Absolutely, whenever you want. Simply open the Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Tap Updates Available, and either tap Update All, or update only the apps you choose. This gives you complete control over when your apps update, helping you avoid unexpected downloads, unnecessary battery usage, and wasted mobile data. Next, let us get rid of one of the most annoying Play Store features. Have you ever received notifications recommending random games, apps, or special offers that you never asked for? Those are promotional notifications. They are not important system alerts. They are simply marketing messages designed to bring you back to the Play Store. Over time, they clutter your notification panel and distract you from the notifications that actually matter. Here is how to turn them off. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap General. Then Notifications. Then turn off Deals and Promotions. You can also turn off pre-registration, genres that you follow, community posts, and other optional notifications that you do not need. From now on, your notification panel stays cleaner, quieter, and free from unnecessary marketing alerts. Now, let us look at App Install Optimization. By default, this feature sends information to Google about which parts of the apps you interact with. This is not good for your privacy, and it creates an extra background process on your phone. Here is how to turn it off. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Click on General. Scroll down to App Install Optimization, and make sure this function is turned off. This stops unnecessary data sharing and lightens the load on your phone. Finally, let us clear out the accumulated junk in the Play Store app itself. Over time, the Play Store builds up cached data that can slow down your phone, especially if it has never been cleaned. Here is how to clear it. Find the Play Store icon on your phone. Tap and hold on the Play Store app icon. Tap on App Info or the information icon. Scroll down to Storage and tap on it. Then tap Clear Cache. This simple cleanup removes unnecessary temporary files, freeing up resources and keeping your device running smoothly. And there you have it. 4 simple Play Store changes to save data, reduce distractions, improve privacy, and keep your phone running smoothly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know which setting you changed first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.